Hey, Eric Breakable Jones here, founder and CEO of Sales Intersection. And before we get into 5 ways we can make your lead generation pop, which I promise we'll get to, I did want to give a little explanation of what is going on and what is the transition here in on the website and on the YouTube channel. So there was more of a focus on Sales Intersection, the intersection of money and meaning, which became a top 20 ranked, nationally ranked podcast by Forbes magazine in just October, which was fabulous. Got a lot of attention and a lot of eyeballs, and overnight went from hundreds of followers to thousands and thousands. And the conversation that was transpiring, that was evolving, was a conversation about not just a podcast conversation of money and meaning, but to put that into action and to execute and to bring that into sales. And so that's what we're transitioning to, and this is where the business is evolving to, is to the business of sales intersection, really the intersection of lead generation, sales, and meaning. So how do we bring meaning back to sales? 69% of sales organizations, sales leaders, sales reps say that lead generation is the most difficult part of the sales process. More sales outreach these days, less buyer response. Both sides are jaded. What can we do? Something needs to happen. How can we instill excitement, trustworthiness, curiosity, meaning, interaction back into sales and the sales process? So this is just a little introduction. I think this is, ironically, COVID is the perfect time to use various mediums of media to show our personality, to show the profession that probably attracts the most colorful personalities out there, right? Sales. And we'll go over that in more detail. For now, I wanted to give an overview, let you know where the business is going, where the focus is going, so you're not confused. But I hope you're excited as I am, and I am looking forward, more than forward, to be speaking with you and going on to the next chapter, as we'll go into the 5 ways to make your lead generation pop. Thank you.